Meaning of harmless.
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 Harmless. The word harmless refers to something or someone that does not cause injury, damage, or harm. It can describe an object, substance, or action that is not dangerous and poses no threat to anyone or anything. For example, a harmless prank is one that might be a bit silly or embarrassing but doesn't cause any lasting harm. A harmless chemical is one that is not toxic or otherwise dangerous to handle. In summary, harmless means that something does not have the potential to cause harm, injury, or damage.